Hello, lovely people. This is Sharanya, and welcome to another episode of Ka-pore by Moumita. This is the fourth episode of our one of a kind sarees. If you want to see the entire collection, please go to our Facebook page where we have done a live on this. But today's episode, I'll be showing you three of such sarees. If you want to see the entire collection, please go to our Facebook page. In our recent live videos, you will find this collection. So let's start with today's one of a kind. The first sari is a mulberry silk hand painted with Kantha sari. So the first sari is a mulberry silk. This is a hand woven three ply mulberry silk, and then we have used hand painting to do the beautiful floral motif which goes along the border on either side of the sari, and then also on the palla of the sari you have the same hand painted motif, and around the hand painted motif we have added a very neat katha border. You can see a very neat Kantha border we have added around the hand painted motif, and all the petals in the flowers or in this design have this beautiful shading effect of orange and yellow, like all the flower petals very meticulously painted you in a brush stroke with the shading effect for each petals, and also the leaves and the stems, everything is done in such a meticulous way using tonal green. You have a green border along the entire sari, and the same green border will also be there. Same green border, the color of the border is there as the blouse piece of the sari. This is the last 1 meter. So together it's a 6.5 meter sari. Last 1 meter will be your blouse piece, which is the same green as the shade of the border in the sari. And when you drape the sari, this is how it is going to be. This will be your long palla. Silk is one of my most favorite fabric to drape because they're so easily drapeable and manageable, and it kind of takes the shape of your body, so they look very nice on you. And mulberry silk has its own shine to the fabric, and this is how the sari will look when you drape it. You have the running border along the entire sari, and then this beautiful gorgeous hand painting with katha detailing around the border, and then this will be your palla which has more hand painting and katha work in it. This is your sari, this is your, and comes with a blouse piece which is in this color. Price of this sari is 12,600. 12,600 is the price of this one. This is our one of a kind range, so all the sarees are very unique and only single piece available with us. Next up is another hand woven three ply mulberry silk, and then we have used two types of katha work to do the work in this sari. The first one is a reverse katha. You can see in a lotus design we have done the katha work inside the design, outside the design. The design comes out. This is a reverse katha in the palla, and around that reverse katha we have given a geometric katha design along the entire border. This is your geometric katha design. This is not a print. This is entirely done handwork geometric katha design around the floral katha, reverse katha portion of the palla. And along the border, you have a very subtle, soft katha temple running, a very subtle katha temple running across the entire border. So you have a panel of geometric katha design and a tiny temple of Kantha around the entire along the entire border. The entire body of the sari will be like this with the Kantha work in either side of your border. This will be your top border, bottom border running throughout the sari. And this comes with a blouse piece. Um, the blouse piece is jet black with the border on one side. This is your blouse piece, and the blouse piece will have border on one side. So this border you can use as the sleeves of your blouse, or at the back of your blouse, or even as a collar of your blouse. You can use this border. The blouse piece has border on one side, and price is 12,600 again. I'll quickly drape the sari and show you how it will look when you drape it. The price of Kantha sari in mulberry silk is 12,600. It has a combination of floral kantha in reverse technique, reverse kantha that we say, and a geometric kantha along with it. Three ply hand woven mulberry silk, so very easily drapeable. And then this will be your palla. This is how the sari looks. Price is 12,600. A very royal palla design, and the combination of floral kantha and geometric kantha has really done magic to the sari. Moving on to the next one. Next one is one of my favorite. It's a peach white hand painted sari in three ply hand woven mulberry silk, and then you have kantha detailing around all the hand painted motifs. The peach white hand painting in three ply hand woven mulberry silk. It's a half and half sari. For half sari, you have this hand painted peach white motif till your pleats, and after the pleats you'll have border in the same design running for the rest of your sari. Till pleats you have this peach white hand painted design with kantha detailing around all the motifs. This is, you can see the very neatly done kantha design around all the motifs. And after your pleats, from your pleats you'll have a border with the same design in hand painting with, along with kantha detailing around them. This also comes with a blouse piece, and the blouse piece is of the same shade of green as your border. Blouse piece is also the same shade of green as the border along the entire sari. It's in three ply hand woven mulberry silk. Price is 13,230. Uh, it's a half and half sari, and this is how it will look when you drape it. It will come with a long, beautiful palla, and then for the pleats, you'll have this design. The entire body will also have the design. This is your long, beautiful palla. Till your pleats, you'll have this all over design, and from your pleats, you'll have this border running for the rest of your sari, and the blouse piece is last 1 meter, which is the same shade of green as the shade of the border. Price is 13,230. This is the three saris for today's episode. If you want to book any of these saris, do connect with us with a screenshot, DM us, or connect with us in the number provided, and we'll be happy to help you out with the booking process. Or if you want more pictures of this sari, we can also share with you that. So till next episode, take care. Bye.